Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Farm Goat Farm. So this I comes up here now. I'm feeding these goats. These is the goats them who leave to have baby. They don't have baby as yet. So I'm just taking care of them now. My great pleasure is to feed these goats when I comes on this farm because I like to see them eat and they look healthy. You know, when I was growing up, I would like to have animals, but I didn't get the opportunity to have as much animals that I have now. So it's a blessing from God, you know. I'm like the shepherd who take care of these animals and make they look at all this Nubian. Oh, it's a healthy goat. This is a Nubian though, and this is a milking goat. So they all here eating. Nice. They all pregnant now. So this is a pleasure to come up here and check them out. See that's them nice. And make sure they're eating healthy. Over here now, we got a Nubian doe over here. They all pregnant, right here. So we just separate them for a bit because these don't have babies yet, so we don't want to mix up the babies with these goats as yet. This one is a La Mancha right here. See her right here? She don't have baby yet, she's pregnant. But that's a nice goat right there. You know, stand out firm. And if you comes over here, this is my maternity ward, where I have all my babies from, which they in nursery. So this is all the goats them who don't have babies, still here to have babies. Because the reason why, if they have babies out in the field, then I can protect them. So what I do when they're ready to spring down, I take them into here and let they have babies in here. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you look right here, I got babies right here. Look at them. See right here? Got a nice mother goat right here. She have babies already. And this is our two babies right here. See them right here? That's a Nubian right there. And right up here now, we got the molasses black where they heat what they want, so that's good. That's looking good. And give them the nutrient and the iron. They look right over here. We got babies all over there. Look right around this tree. We got babies right around the tree. See? So you can really raise goats on the floor if you got a lot of land. I got no problem with worms raising goats on the floor, but you can keep them in one place, else it's going to be stagnant. You got to have a lot of land where they can move around. Well, right now these babies is right here. Look at them. See all around the trees them? Come right here. They're about a week old now. Look at them. Ain't them beautiful? Look. Them is about a week old. Look at this one, ladies and gentlemen. Look here. This is a week old. If you think I'm lying, look at the navel string. Just look at the navel string. Don't drop yet. Ain't this a beauty? This is a week old baby. Look at him. And this is a La Mancha baby. This one mixed with the milking goat and the boar. You want meat goat? You got to mix them like this. Look at him. Look at him. That's a week old. Look at him. Healthy. When I said healthy, healthy. Now I'm getting ready to feed. So what I'll do, I clean all the pails. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, so we're getting ready to feed all these goats. So come along with me with the journey. See, I'm gonna get water. Make sure I wash out these plates, these bowls. What I'm gonna feed them eating. So I'm gonna clean all the bowls. So now it's feeding time because I didn't come up here in 2 days now. So you know they need their grains. But I make sure they are feed, you know. Make sure they got feeding each time I come up here. I make sure, yeah. So I'm getting ready to feed now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just cleaning. Today's a rainy day. So in the coming year now, I'm going to build me a big shed where all these goats go under when rain falls. And they shelter from the rain. But for now, I got shelter for them. But it's not that big right now, but I'm going to build me a nice barn in the coming year. I'm going to take on that journey when I'm building that barn. But for now, I only got this shelter for them right here. I only got all this shelter for them right here. So this barn I'm building, but it's not finished as yet. But they will have, I'm going to build me a big, maybe 28 by 28 barn feet. 28 feet by 28 feet barn. So they will have a lot of cover. What I'm going to do with all these young kids, I'll keep them, and I'll keep all the females them and let most of these males go because I don't need these males. So I'll keep all the females and let all of these males go, you know. And then as I want to build my herd to about 300-400 before I settle in, and then I start to get rid of the babies, and then I'm going to trim down my herd, get rid of all the ageable mother, and bring up these young good champion that you see there, because I got these young good champions. I got the dog and I got the way to raise them. So I'm going to keep on raising them. I plan for right now. So follow me on the journey. I'm going to start a feed. So this is the feed that got the vitamin, the minerals, the oatmeal, the molasses, the fiber. Everything this feed got right here. That's full of energy. Right here. Some of these goats, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot think, you wouldn't believe that they have babies already. You'd never believe they just keep their weight. And after all, I'm feeding them good anyway. Some of them is very miserable, ladies and gentlemen. So, you want to see we keep them from each other, we don't let them fight. Ladies and gentlemen, they all surrounding trees. See, they all surrounding the trees now, look at them. Ain't them beautiful? That's a lot of babies. Look at them. Ain't they cute? All different colors, ladies and gentlemen. Look at them. All different colors. Look at them. 1 week old. I got some champion here. But I'm keeping all the females. I'll let the males them go for now. Just for now. So I'm starting next week. I'm going to vaccinate them. And I'm going to put on tag on them. The reason why I don't vaccinate them yet, before they have babies, I already vaccinate the mother 2 weeks before. I vaccinate all the mothers them. And also worm all the mothers them 2 weeks before. So they're good for now. But next week now, they would be in 2 weeks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to vaccinate all of them. And let them survive. You know, and I'm going to give them a little bit of safeguard. That means if they do contract worm from the mother, then whatsoever left the safeguard will protect them from any type, and the vaccination will also protect them from any disease when they're little by little. So they're getting, I'm going to give them straight direct, and then they getting it from their mother. So when I let them out, all in those fields, look as far as you can see, they're going to survive because they got all those hoods, they got all those weeds, brush, grass, and you know goats like brush. They just have to stand up on them 2 back legs and catch brush. So they're supposed to grow real good here. I guarantee you that. They're supposed to have a excellent life here. And this is not only goats that I have. In the next farm I got a lot of goats and I got a lot of sheep. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a happy new year and keep yourself safe and keep yourself in good health and pleasant, and be too kind to others that don't have it. Unfortunately, don't have it like other people. Just kind to others and you successful in life. So just a little teaching I'm giving. So I want you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and big up Wonder Boy. And I got a lot of next story coming to you, a lot of next teaching. Peace out for now. God bless.